Pawpaw Sammy and alley bug here. Just checking my bees out this morning. Looking at their water, it's froze. The thing is, we got down to 16 degrees the other morning. And I figured, well, there goes my onions, my celery, and my parsley, and, broccoli and all that good stuff's going to be gone. Basically, the broccoli and kale my daughter grows in St. Helena Parish, Starkey's Farmstead. But personally, I have onions and I get it out in a minute, parsley. The parsley the other morning had a tremendous coat of ice on it, completely covered in ice. And I figured, well, that's the end of that. Look at it. Look at it. Beautiful. Now, how it survived that freeze with ice laying on top of it, you and I don't know. But anyway, you can grow parsley. My onions, they kind of drooped. But look at them. They're good. Look at the wild onions, the ones I got on the hiking trail. They have a delicious flavor, and they hanging up pretty good. I also got onions growing down here on the end. Boy, that hit my blueberries. They were pretty and green, but it sure hit them hard this time. When I moved here years ago, those irises were going wild out in the front ditch. When I moved here years ago, there was no houses at all over there. It's a massive subdivision now. I saved those irises and planted them, and I still plant them. I just planted my onions 3 weeks ago. That freeze didn't even bother them. And I do believe my Japanese plum's gonna make it. I hope. It looks like it's gonna make it. All right, like and subscribe. Pawpaw Sammy and Alley Bugs.